Hey guys, welcome to IPINKIT. My name is Ingrid. Honestly, it's been a while since I shared a what I eat in a day video. So I was thinking today I can vlog everything that I eat so I can give you more ideas on how to eat plant-based without soy, gluten, nuts, and a few legumes that I happen to be allergic. If you would love to find out how my typical day looks like, then keep on watching this video.
Well, this morning I feel like eating hash brown, so I'm gonna start by peeling off the skin of this potato and then shredding my 2 potatoes. This is going to be enough for 3 hash browns. I'm gonna mix it with 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour, a pinch of onion powder, a pinch of garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. Next, I'm going to add some olive oil to my pan, and I love to shape the hash browns. This doesn't have enough space, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook 2 at a time. You wanna make sure that both sides look golden brown before you serve it. It's gonna take a couple of minutes to cook. Next, I'm gonna get a just egg patty. Honestly, I'm gonna follow the instructions for cooking it in the microwave, but you can also do it on your stovetop. It is fluffy like egg, but to make it and give it that eggy flavor, I'm gonna go ahead and add some black salt. Finally, I just serve everything. My hash brown with a side of beans and avocado. Lately, I've been obsessed with this lemonade. I've been having it every day for the past 3 weeks. So all I do is that I add beets powder and camu camu powder. Then I just mix it well.
Well, if you've been to IPINKIT before, you already know that I vary my meals a lot. I honestly don't like to eat the same thing every day. So my other what I eat in a day videos can also be helpful if you're looking for more ideas. But right now, I feel like for the last 2 weeks, I've been obsessed with this juice. So it's beets lemonade with camu camu powder. For those who are not familiar with camu camu powder, this fruit is native to Peru and it happens to have the most vitamin C in the whole world. Honestly, it tastes amazing. Since discovering the beets powder, I've been using it in every recipe that I can, but especially this juice, and it's been keeping my skin a little clear. You know that I've been struggling with allergies. So good. Well, let's put that on the side and let me show you the main thing. So I got eggs, beans, some avocado, and a hash brown. Okay, I don't know about you, but hash browns happen to be my fave. But what I do is that I add a little bit of avocado and I enjoy this delicacy. Honestly, it's so good. You guys, I cannot wait for you to try this. If there is a must-try recipe within this breakfast, it's definitely the hash brown. But I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my meal and I'll see you for the next snack or either meal. Made with avocado oil. It's really hard to find a seaweed that works for you, that doesn't have any inflammatory oils, but this one does wonderfully. I love it.
Let's start lunch by adding 1/3 of a cup of tapioca flour, 1/3 of a cup of oat milk, then mix it with a pinch of paprika powder, garlic powder, and salt. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my cauliflower throughout, then I'm gonna clean it and cut it in small florets. Once ready, I'm gonna go ahead and coat them with my batter and I'll be air frying them for 4 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit degrees. If you want them crunchy, you can air fry them for a few more minutes. Now it's time to make the sauce. For that, I'm going to need the juice of 1 orange, a third cup of coconut aminos, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and about half a tablespoon of tapioca flour. This is just so it can thicken. This honestly only takes a few minutes, 3 to 4 minutes until it fully thickens. Now that my cauliflowers are ready, I can just go ahead and dip them in the sauce that I made. Well, let's start preparing my salad. I'm going to add a bit of kale, some spinach, cooked quinoa, a few slices of cucumbers, pumpkin seeds powder, lemon juice, the cauliflower florets, and shredded carrots.
Alright guys, and for lunch I'm actually going to have this quinoa veggie salad. I went ahead and added the cauliflowers. If I would have had buffalo sauce, then I would have gone with buffalo sauce. But since I didn't have it, I improvised with that. But honestly, I can't wait to give it a try, so let's just taste it. You know what it's missing? Avocado. I'm probably gonna add some avocado. But other than that, this is delicious. I'm gonna go ahead, have my lunch, and I'll see you in the next meal.
I always eat a snack, so what I do for my smoothie is add a lot of frozen blueberries, oat milk, 1 scoop of my protein powder, 1 scoop of my moringa powder, and I mix it all well.
Alright guys, it is time for a snack, so I'm just gonna go ahead and have some pico de gallo bean chips. These are yummy.
For dinner, I feel like all of you are going to love this recipe, so I'm gonna make myself a basic pizza. And for that, I'm going to be using this gluten-free crust that it's made out of butternut squash and brown rice flour. As for my tomato sauce, I usually get the one that it's made with olive oil to avoid soybean oil. And finally, I top that with some vegan mozzarella shredded cheese. I went ahead and baked it at 400 degrees for 9 minutes.
Alright guys, I kind of feel a little full, but I don't like to skip meals. So dinner is honestly going to be very light. I'm just gonna have these 3 slices of pizza. So basically I'm having butternut squash with brown rice flour, a few other ingredients that are allergy friendly, then some tomato sauce, mushrooms and cheese. Oh my god. I knew I was gonna do that. This is so good, by the way. I just spilled some tomato sauce in my shirt. Thank goodness it was at the end of the video and not at the beginning. This pizza is honestly delicious. It's hot, but it's so yummy. Well guys, this is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed getting to learn how a day in my life looks like without the food allergies. I feel like now I'm very comfortable like testing new recipes, testing new flavors, creating something on camera, but before I had no idea how to do it. So if you want to get more inspiration, make sure you subscribe to IPINKIT, and all you need to do is click this red button down your screen, hit the bell once if you want to receive notifications every time I upload a video. Also, this is the last week where I'm running my promotion, so when you use the code IPINKIT on my website, you'll be able to get $5 off my first ebook. And I really hope that this resource helped you so much in your healing journey. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here. I love you all so much, and I'm going to see you next week with a brand new video. Bye guys.